My name is Don McAllister, and welcome to the first in a series of video tutorials or screencasts made exclusively for macTV. You can find many more screencasts available for download at www.screencastsonline.com, where you can also find information on how you can subscribe using iTunes or the DTV service. If you're interested in either of these, please go to the website and check out the detailed information on how you can use these services. Anyway, let's get on with today's tip. Today we're going to cover OS X or OS X screen image capture. Now OS X actually has screen image capture built into the operating system, and it's simply a matter of a few key presses to generate some screen images. The first one is Command, Shift and 4. That actually turns the cursor into a crosshair. I've just highlighted it. And to select the part of the screen that you want to capture, you hold down with the mouse and drag, and then release the mouse. You can see over here we've actually got a picture. I'll just do that again just to show you. You've got picture 1 and picture 2. Command, Shift and 4. And let's capture that part there. Okay, so now there's picture 3 and picture 2. Now you can actually also do Command, Shift and 3, and that will actually do a screen capture of the full screen. Another useful function is to actually copy an image directly to the clipboard so that you can access it from within an application. And the way to do this is to do a Command, Control, Shift and then 3 or 4. 4 for just a portion of the screen or 3 for the full screen, but we'll do Command, Control, Shift and 4 to get the crosshairs again, and we'll copy the same part of the screen. Okay, and now if we go into preview and do a new from clipboard, you'll see the image is actually pasted directly into the application. So that's basically the image capture functionality within OS X itself, but there are actually some additional tools that can help and give you more control over screen image capture. The easiest one is actually a free widget that's available from the Apple Widget Store. Let me just get rid of that preview session. Again, if you go to the browser and go to the Apple Widget page, you can actually just search for capture in the search dashboard widgets panel, or I know that it's actually under the business category quite near the top, so there we are, it's capture. Okay, you can download it from here, install the widget, and once you do that you will have a screen similar to, if I just pull the dashboard up with the F12, you have the capture utility here. It's very simple. You can capture full screen, you can capture a window, a selection, you can actually even capture parts of the dashboard as well if you want, and it's basically a matter of just selecting which particular option that you want and then clicking on the take screenshot button. But the nice thing about this is there's some advanced options which are hidden here. You can actually change the type of file format, so there are 8 different types of file format you can actually change it to. You can also change the save destination, so currently it's set to the desktop, and we can change that to a specific folder, and you can also change the size, so the scale of the image that you actually capture. So let's change the destination for now before we do anything else. If I just go into Finder, put it in column view, and let's say we want to create a new folder in here called Screen Captures. And I want to save my captures into this particular folder. The easiest way to do is just to click on the folder and start to drag, press F12, and then drag it onto the drag folder here to change. And there we go. And let's take a picture of the Finder window that's in the background. So we've got window selected, so I can just say take screenshot. And as you can see, there's only one window on screen, but it's actually highlighted the whole window. So I can just click again, and there we go. If we actually have a look inside that directory, we should see, yeah. And if I open that up into preview, you'll see that's a full-size image. If we go back to F12 to dashboard, and I change the file size to say 50%. There we go. Well, 49 will do. And do the same again. We've got screenshot 1. And you can see that's 50%. Okay, let's go back to, just to give you one other example. Oh yeah, the selection, capture selection, and again we can just use the crosshairs again to drag out the area that we want to keep. And there we have screenshot 2. So all in all, a great little utility, free from the Apple widget page. So that's about it for screen image capture. If you have any suggestions or any comments, please send me an email at screencastsonline@gmail.com, and please check out the website at www.screencastsonline.com. And I'll see you next time on macTV.